is Sridhar and welcome back to the Top Percentile YouTube channel. Since दोनों attempt के results are out, some students will be considering JBIMS, MHRD and MSc Finance as an option. तो उसके लिए पहले समझ लेते हैं कि इसका timeline क्या रहेगा. These are the exact timelines of last year और मेरे हिसाब से this all should move by around a week this year considering दो attempt थे. तो MHRD का फॉर्म्स खुला था 11 जून को. एप्लीकेशन डेडलाइन वाज 28 जून. कॉल्स वर रिलीज्ड ऑन 26 जुलाई. GDPI process was from 5th to 8 August and results were out on 16th August. For MSc Finance 11 जून को फॉर्म्स खुले थे, 28 जून को फॉर्म्स बंद हुए थे. कॉल्स वर आउट ऑन 4th August. GDPI process 19 to 21st August and results were out on 26th August. So keeping these timelines in mind, and if you're someone who's interested in applying for these programs, you can consider the Top Percentiles Bootcamp. We had amazing results last year. You can reach out to any of those students to ask their feedback of TTP. MSc Finance में 40 स्टूडेंट्स में से 16 स्टूडेंट्स were from TTP. MHRD में 30 स्टूडेंट्स में से 9 were from TTP. So we have an amazing track record of producing results in these programs. And this program के लिए आप please immediately join कीजिए because after the calls are out, I've just showed you the timeline. There is almost 10 to 15 days, which is very less to prepare for the boot. Very less to prepare for the process. So that's why we start early because वो 10 से 15 दिन में आपको मुंबई भी आना पड़ता है, तो 1-2 days goes in traveling itself. So if you're interested, do contact us and get in touch with us.